where you can get TikTok followers cheap. First, go to aligobo.com. It's one of the best places so far where you can get that. Then scroll down, click on sign up, or you click on learn more to go to sign up page. To scroll down to sign up. Then here enter your first name, last name, email, password. Select I agree. Then create an account. After creating an account, you'll be logged in. So after creating an account, you get to this page. So here you have to select the services that you want. But actually, you need to know how much it costs because my balance here is zero. So let's see how much 1,000 TikTok followers cost $10. So let's see how much 10,000 costs. Then 10,000 costs $100. So let's say I want to add 10,000 followers to my account. All I have to do is to add funds first. Add funds to my balance. So I'm going to go to crypto or manual card payment. So select crypto card payment. Select $100. Then pay. After making payment, $100 will be available in your balance. Thereafter, you can use it to place an order for TikTok followers. That's very easy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share this with your friends. AliGoBo is the best place so far to buy all these. Have a nice day. Bye.